Role of political parties in India. Role of political parties in India. At present, political parties are playing initial role, dominant role in our country. There is no possibility to capture power in the government without political party. There is no success of democratic system without political party. The democratic system can be success through political parties. Political parties, different political parties origin in this society, in this world. So different opinions, different ideologies, different principles. On this basis, different political parties can be existed in this world. In India, we are following multi-party system. Governments are run by the representatives of the people who have been elected through electoral process or elections. So political parties is base to capture power. Without political parties, there is no formation of government. So political party, so who are belongs to political party, who are members in the political party. So political party can be formed a group of people. So who is having same ideology, same political principles, or otherwise same thinking nature. In this moment, a group of people they can form their own political party. So they are contesting in the elections, and when they are contesting in the elections, before contesting in the elections, they are declaring manifesto what they are going to do, what kind of policies they are going to do, what kind of policies and development activities they are conducting through these political parties. Political parties playing dominant role in India. One party is who is having most populace in the country. They are eligible to capture power through elections. Who is having uh, second domination populace in the state, they can capture, they can maintain opposition party role. So in our country particularly, they are playing two roles. One is ruling party, another one is dominant. So there is no possibility to capture power. There is no possibility to capture power. So political party led to form a new government. New government. So these are reasons. What kind of roles plays by the political parties in our country? Power vested in political parties in India. Power vested through political parties in our country. That is one of the role. One party is ruling role, leading role, and making policies and making decisions in government administrative systems, and whatever promises made by the political party, they are going to fulfill after formation of the government by the political party. By the political party, government authority powers, these can be exercised by the political party after elections. After elections in our country, another party is opposition role. So opposition party acting as like watchdog of each and every activity of the government. If any loopholes in the government ruling, any mistake made by the ruling party, in this moment automatically they will raise questions on the ruling government. And they always trying to get how to capture power. They always struggle to capture power in the state. So opposition party playing leading role and initial role in our country. So no government can do their responsibilities without active role of opposition party. without active role of opposition party. So opposition party, it keeps a ruling party in active mode. Another one is uh, responsibilities of ruling party in India. Responsibilities. What kind of responsibilities to fulfill all those requirements for the people? That is essential responsibility of the government. Government can be found by the political party. So who are members in the party, they can occupy uh, important positions in the government, and they will try to make more policies in the government. That is one of the important. Opposition party plays key role, and coalition government. If there is no party is having full-fledged majority in the at central level, state level, in this movement, at national level, our president of India called for to form a coalition government among the party leaders, and at state level, governor can call for a formation of coalition government at state level. So largest securing seats within the state, they are eligible to form a new government, coalition government. And opposition and parliamentary democracy. So according to constitution, we adopted parliamentary form of government, parliamentary democracy. So there is two executive heads, real executives and a nominal executive. So this can be successful through political system, political parties. And political parties, in there are number of political parties can be existed. Some of the political parties can be disappeared after expiring of the members, individuals. So some of the political parties existing as long as, because that is depends on and ideology and principles of the political party. And ruling party always try to strengthen themselves and how to capture power again and again, and they will make more strategies to find out this one, that is one of the important. And those parties which loses in the elections, these parties will find out loopholes in the country, and again they will try to contest in the elections. And political parties shape public opinion. So there is so much significance to the public opinion. So public opinion means one vote is one value. So on the basis of that one, they are eligible to capture power in the state. So political parties playing predominant role in our country. So there is no way to success of democratic system without political parties. Without political parties. So if there is no party, that led to monarchical form of government or aristocratical form of government. So we need political parties. And another side, they are acting as like up pressure groups. So number of political parties, they are working like pressure groups. They are always putting pressure on the ruling government. They want to fulfill their needs and requirements by the governments uh, with pressure of political parties. In political parties, uh, there are mm, there are political leaders and active members and followers and moral supporters. These members always they are keeping touch with the political party and how to spread their ideological principles in a society. So these are uh, these kind of roles playing by the political parties in our country.